What if I told you that in less than 10 minutes, you could create an AI version of your own voice that sounds so realistic most people couldn't tell the difference? No expensive microphone, no recording hours of audio, no professional studio. Today, I'll show you exactly how beginners are cloning their voices with ElevenLabs, why creators are using it to save hours every week, and the mistakes that instantly make AI voices sound fake. And stay until the end, because I'll show you one feature that most new users completely ignore, and it can dramatically improve the quality of every voice you create. Let's get started. Voice cloning sounds complicated. It isn't. Think of it like teaching an AI to recognize your speaking style. Instead of generating a random computer voice, ElevenLabs studies your pronunciation, rhythm, tone, and the little details that make your voice unique. Once it learns those patterns, it can read almost any text as if you said it yourself. That's why YouTubers are creating videos faster. Businesses are producing training videos in multiple languages. Authors are turning books into audiobooks. And content creators are building entire channels without recording every script themselves. The technology isn't replacing your voice. It's multiplying it. Here's the first concept every beginner needs to understand. There are different types of AI voices. Most people think voice cloning is just one feature. It's actually several different technologies. Text-to-speech lets AI read text using built-in voices. Voice cloning creates a digital version of your own voice. Voice design lets you create an entirely new custom voice from scratch. Voice changer transforms one recording into another voice. Understanding these differences saves a lot of confusion because each one solves a different problem. If your goal is YouTube videos, podcasts, or online courses, voice cloning is usually the feature you'll use the most. Now let's walk through the setup. Creating an account takes only a few minutes. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll see several tools. Don't get overwhelmed. Beginners only need a few of them. Go to the voice section. Choose the option to create a new voice. You'll be asked to upload a recording or record directly inside the platform. This is where quality matters more than quantity. Many beginners think longer recordings automatically create better voices. That's not true. A shorter recording with clean audio often produces far better results than a long recording filled with background noise. That's one of the biggest mistakes new users make. Now here's something that surprises almost everyone. The microphone you use is less important than the room you're recording in. Even a basic USB microphone can produce excellent voice clones if you're in a quiet room. But an expensive microphone inside a noisy kitchen can create a poor clone. Clean audio always wins. Once your recording uploads, ElevenLabs analyzes your voice. Depending on the type of voice clone you're creating, processing usually takes only a few moments. When it's finished, your new AI voice is ready. Now comes the fun part. Type a sentence. Click Generate. Listen carefully. Don't just ask whether it sounds like you. Ask whether it sounds natural. Natural speech depends on pacing, breathing, emotion, and punctuation. That's why writing for AI voices is slightly different from writing for humans. Shorter sentences usually sound smoother. Periods create natural pauses. Commas slow the pace. Question marks add curiosity. Even changing one word can make the entire sentence sound more realistic. Here's where it gets interesting. Most people spend hours trying to improve the AI voice itself. Experienced creators improve the script first. Better writing produces better audio. Now let's talk about voice settings. This is where beginners either create incredibly realistic voices or robotic ones. ElevenLabs gives you controls for stability, similarity, style, and other advanced settings depending on your plan. Think of stability as consistency. Higher stability makes speech more predictable. Lower stability creates more variation and emotion. If stability is too high, your voice may sound flat. Too low, and it may sound unpredictable. Similarity controls how closely the AI matches your original voice. If you're cloning yourself, you'll usually want this fairly high. Then there's style. Style helps add personality and expression. This is especially useful for storytelling, YouTube narration, marketing videos, and podcasts. Don't just leave everything at the default settings. Generate several versions. Compare them. Small adjustments often create huge improvements. Now let's look at real-world workflows. Imagine you're running a YouTube channel. Instead of recording every script manually, you write your script first. Paste it into ElevenLabs. Generate your narration. Download the audio. Import it into Pictory or your favorite video editor. Add visuals. Upload. What used to take several hours can now be finished much faster. Or maybe you're creating online courses. Update one lesson. Generate fresh narration. Replace the audio. No need to record everything again. Businesses use the same workflow for training videos. Marketing teams use it for product demonstrations. Customer support teams create tutorials. Even real estate agents are using AI voices for property walkthroughs. The possibilities keep growing. Quick question. Would you rather spend an hour recording every mistake over and over? Or simply edit one sentence and regenerate perfect audio? That's exactly why AI voice tools are becoming part of so many content creation workflows. Now let's cover something extremely important. Ethics. Just because you can clone a voice doesn't mean you should clone anyone's voice. Always use your own voice or get clear permission. Responsible use protects creators and helps build trust with your audience. The technology is powerful. How you use it matters. Now let's discuss pronunciation. This is another area beginners overlook. AI doesn't always know how you want names, companies, or technical terms pronounced. Instead of accepting the first result, experiment. Rewrite difficult words phonetically. Add commas. Break long sentences into smaller pieces. Generate multiple versions. Professional creators rarely accept the first output. They refine it. That's why their videos sound polished. Here's another pattern interrupt. Most people think AI voices eliminate editing. They actually shift the editing process. Instead of fixing bad recordings, you're refining text. That's faster, cheaper, and easier to scale. Now let's explore multilingual voices. One of ElevenLabs' biggest strengths is language support. Imagine recording your content once, then creating versions for viewers around the world. Your educational videos, training courses, marketing campaigns, or product demonstrations. One script can reach entirely new audiences. That's a huge opportunity for creators looking to grow internationally. Now let's talk about automation. This is where AI becomes even more powerful. Instead of manually recording every project, you can combine writing tools, AI voice generation, and video editing into one streamlined workflow. Write the script with AI assistance. Generate narration with ElevenLabs. Build visuals in Pictory. Add captions. Upload to YouTube. What once required multiple people can now be managed by one creator. That's why solo businesses are growing faster than ever. Here's one surprising insight that most beginners never hear. Many successful creators don't use AI voices because they dislike recording. They use them because AI creates consistency. Every video has the same volume, the same microphone quality, the same pacing. No bad recording days, no tired voice, no starting over because of one mistake halfway through a script. Consistency builds trust with viewers, and trust builds audiences. Before you start cloning your voice, remember these 10 key ideas. Understand the different AI voice tools. Use clean recordings. Record in a quiet room. Improve your scripts before generating audio. Experiment with voice settings. Use AI to speed up real workflows. Respect ethical voice cloning. Refine pronunciation. Automate repetitive tasks. And focus on consistency instead of perfection. Master those 10 concepts, and you'll be far ahead of most beginners using AI voice technology today. Voice cloning isn't just another AI trend. It's becoming a practical skill for YouTubers, freelancers, educators, business owners, and anyone creating digital content. The earlier you learn it, the more time you'll save as AI continues to evolve. If you found this guide helpful, keep experimenting and keep building. The more projects you create, the better your results will become. And in the next guide, we'll We'll take this one step further by combining ElevenLabs with AI video generation to create professional videos from start to finish with almost no manual editing.